Welcome to another exploration into the realm of artificial intelligence. Today's protagonist is none other than Devin, the brainchild of the forward-thinking team at Cognition Labs. A software development AI model is no ordinary creation. This type of AI is not just any piece of software. It is an entity, a thinking machine that learns, understands, and evolves. With its deep learning capabilities, Devin can process and analyze vast amounts of data in milliseconds, something that would take a human several lifetimes to accomplish. In comparison, consider a typical software developer. They're equipped with a keen mind, a knack for problem solving, and a deep understanding of various coding languages. However, even the most brilliant developer is human, with all the limitations that come with it. They need breaks, they need sleep, and they can make errors. Devin, on the other hand, does not need to rest, does not tire, and is immune to human error. It can work around the clock, processing and learning from data at a speed that a human mind simply cannot match. However, it's important to remember that Devin is not perfect. It can only learn and adapt based on the data it is given, even with all the tools it possesses. It lacks the creative problem-solving ability and the emotional intelligence that humans possess. Parts of what makes Devin special compared to other AIs is that it can learn how to use unfamiliar technologies, build and deploy apps end-to-end, autonomously find and fix bugs in code bases, and above all, could fine-tune its own AI models. Now, the million-dollar question, can Devin replace software developers? The answer is not as black and white as one might think. While Devin can perform many tasks faster and more accurately than a human, it can't replace the creativity, intuition, and innovative thinking that a human developer brings to the table. For tasks that require speed, precision, and the ability to handle large volumes of data, Devin is a formidable tool. However, when it comes to tasks that require creativity, empathy, and an understanding of the human experience, a software developer is irreplaceable. In essence, Devin represents a new breed of AI that can augment the capabilities of a software developer, but not replace them entirely. It's a tool, a very advanced tool that can make the job of a software developer more efficient and less time-consuming. So to sum up, Devin is a software developer AI developed by Cognition Labs that boasts impressive data processing, learning capabilities, and code execution. It outshines a typical software developer in speed, efficiency, and accuracy. However, when it comes to creativity, innovation, and understanding the human experience, Devin falls short. It's a powerful tool for software developers, but it's not a replacement. Remember, the future of AI is not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human capabilities, making our lives easier, and opening up new possibilities. And Devin, with all its capabilities, is a step in that direction. Let's toast to the AI's future. Imagine a future where AI and humans coexist, bringing their unique strengths to the table, shaping a smarter, more efficient world, brimming with opportunities. Don't stop exploring, learning, and challenging the limits of the possible. The future is always ours to hold. This would be it for my report on Devin and software developer AIs. Until we meet again.